Howdy, if you're watching this video, you probably already know about my AT-Tiny Arduino-based Cornbadge that I've been working on the past several months. I'm ready for some next steps and some highlights from my hour and 15-minute Twitch stream this last week, which you can watch right up here. So some of the next steps, since everything is programmable now, and it all worked out great, we're going to send some of the PCBs to production with a cheaper producer. So trying to keep some of these costs down. We're also going to experiment more with LEDs and see some things that are going to pop better and hopefully shine through the badge a little bit better so it has good results. And finally, we're going to start looking at the programmer and a way to program it very quickly with something that you can easily carry around. So you can kind of share code really quickly while you're out and mingling with different people. So those are some of the exciting things we can see hopefully being designed over these next few months as this part has gone so well. So here's some highlights. Enjoy. For those of you playing along at home, I'm basically trying to put AT-Tiny on. We are going to do the Little Shop of Horror. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 1, let's kick this off.
Content 98%.
98%. Don't waste your pity on me, Audrey. I'm not worth it.
Who says you're not?
Everybody.
Yeah, I know. You like blood?
Should be all set up. So now we have the Tiny Badge program. Concept works. I just need to get better.
You've helped me. I didn't mean it.
Then you would be able to program it on the back and then just be able to plug it right into any of the add-ons. Have a great night.